Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to add admin on Facebook page. And now let's dive right in. Now to add an admin on your Facebook page, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account. And at the first interface, you'll be over here, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen with your small profile picture icon. Tap over there. And over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen, and over here guys, you can see your account name with the circle icon on it. Just beside that there is a drop down arrow guys. Tap over there and you will see all of the pages you handle. So to switch to a page, tap on it on which you want to give the admin access. So after you land on your page guys, at the top right corner of the screen, again on the tree line icon with the small profile icon, tap on that, and again tap on settings, and over here tap on the page settings at the top, and over here guys scroll down until you can find the page access. You can see over here there is the new page experience. Tap on page access, and over here guys you can see people with task access and people with Facebook access. Now in order to give the admin access or add an admin on the Facebook page, tap on the add new on the people with Facebook access. So tap over there and tap on next, and over here guys search for name or the email of that person to whom you want to give the admin access to. So let's go, I'll be just searching it from the name, and over here guys you can see at the top of the list I want to give the access to this account of mine, which is my another account. And over here you can see the tab allow this person to also have full control. Tap on the toggle icon to turn it on and tap on give access. And over here guys you'll be required to enter your password, so let's go for it and tap on confirm. And after that guys you can see an invitation has been sent to this account, and the invite expires in about 31 days. And guys, now the person to whom you have sent the access will be required to accept the invite from their side of their account, and with that being done, they will have the admin access, or you will have added an admin on your Facebook page. And there guys, this is how you can add an admin on Facebook page. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.